Welcome to the Knowledge Fight IT viewers. Today we are going to learn the JIT related playlist topic, that is how to handle the JIT version control system. In this video we are going to cover about the JIT master, JIT branching, JIT pulling, JIT push, JIT merge and JIT rebase. Let me move to the video. First let me see what is JIT. Actually JIT is a remote content. If you want to send your file or access the file under the remote, which means under the public repository, you need to put your local file or folder under your PC, and you need to send your file to the public repository with the help of JIT. The only thing that you need is you need to sign up and have the GitHub account, and you need to install the JIT. I have already mentioned in the previous video. And another thing is, here I'm going to explain. Here those are the cats. Can you please assume like those are the local repository folder. You can send your file to the public repository master, that is the main folder, by pulling all or sending those folder or files. Then the only thing that you need to put your files under the master is you need to follow few commands. I have already mentioned in the previous video. And here, if you want to create the branch under the master folder, that is the branch folder, the base folder is master, the subfolder is branch. Actually, the master folder has few different among them. And here the master folder is a parent folder, the branch folder is a child folder. So those are the main master folder. Here those are the two branch folder. Here you can see 4 master and here 3 are branch folders, which means branch repository. If another thing is JIT lock. Actually, if you want to know the commits and the author and the committed date and time, you need to type the command, that is JIT lock prints out. Then only you can get the results according to the commit and the author date and author date time also. Another command is JIT push. If you want to transfer your commits from your local repository, which means local computer, to your remote repository, which means the created repository under your GitHub, the only thing that you want to do is you need to use the JIT push command. If you have created the master folder, which means only have the master branch, don't worry about anything, and you can enter the command that is the only command that is JIT push, and then you need to specify the remote link, which means provide the URL of your GitHub repository URL. And if you want to push your, which means push means to send your files to the master folder, you need to put the word master. If you want to send the files to the branch folder, you need to specify the branch name. That is the different thing. And another thing, the another command is JIT push -u. The -u, which used to set up the association between your branch to the remote branch explicitly. If you want to change your file from the master branch to the sub branch, you need to use this JIT push -u. Another command that is JIT push -f. If you want to send your file without consider any of the error part, or just ignore your error or merging concept, you can use the force concept. But you need to consider force push will reflect the results of fast forward merge. So you need to ignore this type of push. You can lose many of the files, or you can delete the changes. So it will reflect on your last updated version of your file. Another command that is git push hyphen all. If you want to put your files to all of your branches, you need to use this type of command, that is git push hyphen all. Then you need to put your remote branch name or a master. If you are using master, you can put master. If you are using branch, you need to specify the branch name. The another command name is git pull. Git pull used to get the pushed file from the remote repository. You need to get the file after the pushing. So after the pushing, you need to use this type of command. Git pull updates your current head branch, which means head means master branch. The latest, you can get the commits from the latest remote. And here you need to use the following commands. First, you need to start with git fetch origin. Then you need to put another command, that is git merge origin. Here we need to use merge command because there are a lot of collaborators are working on a same remote. So you cannot a lot of contradiction between their commits. So the git will decide the differentiations and the similarity among the commits, and then you need to merge all commits. That's why you need to provide the merge command. Git merge, then you need to provide the origin, and uh, you need to provide the master URL. If you are using the branch, you need to specify the branch name. That's the thing. Another thing is, I have already said about git merge. Additionally, if you want to merge two parents and one child, you can use the git rebase commands and add the new and top one parent. Here the git rebase command. Commonly git rebase are using if you want to clean your commit history. First you need to fetch the origin, then you need to put the git rebase origin command. After enter the git rebase command, you need to get all of the folders and files. That's why you need to use the git pull hyphen rebase. Not only use git pull, you need to use the additional command, that is git pull hyphen rebase, and then you need to put the origin. If you are going to pull the file under the master, from the master you can put the master. If you are going to pull the files from the branch, you need to put the branch name. I hope you will understand the concept git merge, git rebase and git pull. Let me continue with another video. Please refer the previous videos from the playlist. Thank you. Bye.